Hello foodies! It's Mihaela from blondelish.com and today I'm gonna show you how to make skillet potatoes. This is my absolute favorite way of cooking potatoes and trust me, it's so much better than fries. Tender chunky potatoes with garlic herb flavor are all you need. Can't wait to eat, so let's jump right into the prep. Thoroughly wash and scrub the potatoes. Pat dry with a paper towel to absorb the excess moisture. Place the potatoes on a clean chopping board and cut them in half lengthways. Then transfer them into a large bowl. Drizzle with the oil. Press and add in the garlic. Sprinkle generously with salt and pepper. Chop all your favorite herbs and add them to the bowl with the potatoes. I use parsley, rosemary and fresh dill. Now with your clean hands, toss well to evenly coat each potato. Heat a large non-stick pan or skillet over medium heat. Add the coated potatoes to the pan and pour over half a cup of water. Cover the pan with the lid and cook over medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Once the potatoes are tender, remove the lid. Stir and continue to cook uncovered until golden brown, about 8 to 10 minutes. The potatoes are now so tender with a delightfully slight crisp on the outside. Just garnish with more freshly chopped herbs and serve. That was it for today, foodies. Thank you for watching. To get the full recipe plus super useful tips and tricks, just click the link below or go search it on blondelish.com. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of my amazing community of foodies. Last but not least, let me know how you like this recipe in the comments below. See you next time!